Hi everybody, it's Brian Begley with the enCloud9 Dynamics 365 YouTube channel. Our topic is a feature called Form Fill Assistance, and it's another Copilot powered service for Dynamics 365 and Power Apps. We're going to talk about what Form Fill Assistance does, how it works, and what to do if you want to turn it off in your Dynamics 365 environment. But before we get started, we'd appreciate if you could like this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so that you can always get our videos as soon as they are released. So let's talk about how Form Fill Assistance works in a model-driven application. I have a Power App that I'm working on right now, and we have a list of records that are called facilities. And every facility has a name of the facility and a related institution, which has a code letter. And you'll notice the most popular code letter is the letter R. If I go ahead and create a brand new institution or facility record, you'll see the institution field gets filled in with the letter R for me. I also have a bar along the top that says that there have been suggestions made and I should review these AI-generated entries for accuracy. If I wanted to, I could accept all the suggestions that have been made for me, or I can choose not to accept them. So for example, I'm going to put in test as my description here, and I'm going to click save, and it will give me a notice to say discard suggestion. And I could choose to continue anyway, in which case a record will be created called test with no value in the institution field. Now, I'm not happy about this because of numerous things. First off, I'm having this little pop-up warn me every time that a record is created with suggestions that I have to continue anyway if I don't want to save those changes. If I'm doing a lot of data entry, I'm going to have to click continue anyway every time I save a record if I don't save changes that were made. What other problems I have with this feature is the fact that I can't seem to control it. I've looked all over Dynamics 365 and the Power Apps Admin Center, and I haven't found a way to configure how this works for me. So for example, I might want to use this AI feature for certain users. I might want to use this AI feature for certain people with security roles. I might say certain tables in my Dynamics, I want to enable this. But from everything I've seen, this AI Form Fill Assistance is available on every table to every user, and there's no way to control it other than shut it off. So what I'm going to show you now is how to shut this off. It's pretty straightforward. You go to the Microsoft Power Platform Admin Center and you open up the environment. So I'm going to open up this environment right here. And when I go to the environments, I'm going to go down to settings. Now underneath settings, I have two options, features, and we have this window that we've all been using to manage our configuration of Dynamics 365. The section that's devoted to the Form Fill Assistance is right down here. Now you'll notice this feature is on by default. You don't have a choice to turn it off. You don't get a notification that it's been enabled in your system until it's actually available. So if it hasn't been enabled in your system, you do have this option today. You can disable it by choosing enable this feature and turn it on for no one. And that way, everyone in your organization will not have this feature turned on. So don't forget to save your changes. And while you're saving the changes in the background, Form Fill Assistance is being turned off. Now, I'm not real happy with this feature. I don't think I would want any of my clients to be using it, but I do hope that in the future, Microsoft does some modifications to it to allow administrators to control what is happening by default. So now that you've seen Form Fill Assistance in action, are you going to keep it enabled in your Dynamics 365? What are some of the use cases that you might see for Form Fill Assistance? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for checking out this video. Please like it and subscribe. As always, if you're looking for support on your Dynamics 365 or Power Apps environment, please reach out to the experts at enCloud9. Thank you. Have a great day.